Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Professor Sistrunk and I'm reaching out to my student body. We are at the beginning of the semester and I thought I would send you out a cheat sheet on what you need to know to complete your course. This is going to be short, but it's going to tell you exactly what you need to do. You are in multiple classes. I know you have several classes that you have to take this semester. So I wanted to send you this cheat sheet so you would know exactly what you have to do in my class. In order for you to understand what I need from you, you're going to see at the very top of the screen this here. Now, I am sending this out to multiple classes like I did my first video. But this here may not be your class. Let me say that again. It may not be your class, but the same way that I walk through these lessons, you will walk through in your class. I want you to mimic the same steps. Let me say that again. I want you to mimic the same steps. Now, it's going to be similar to the last video, but still we're going to go a little deeper. We're going to get a little bit granular in our approach. And that simply means I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. Okay, with that being said, always read your home page just to get an idea of where you will be working and the things that you will be doing. If you notice here, you have some lessons that I put in here for you to use, but these lessons are inside of the actual application that you will be using, so you're good. You do not have to order a book. Your book is in here and I'm going to show you. So the next place you should go after you look at your home page would be to content. People, follow these steps exactly the way I present them. That way you won't have any problems. So I'm gonna go in here as a student so I can walk you through what I call the student's view, the stuff you will see when you log in. So if I click on content now, you will see 3 particular sections within here. Now, when you need to have a meeting with me, or if you in my Cisco class and you have to have a meeting with me, everyone will have to meet with me using a Zoom link. Now, what do that mean? You'll click on this link and you'll see the Zoom credentials within there to log in. I don't want to click on this now because this is going on my YouTube page and everybody be logging into my classes. But you will have a Zoom link to click on. So if you ever say, hey, professor, can you send me the Zoom link? I'm just going to simply say to you, you know it's inside of your learning management system. Yes. Okay. Then you have your syllabi. You can see the syllabi right here. You will click on the syllabi and the syllabi will give you all the necessity information that you need to know about the class. Okay, so make sure you download your syllabus and get a hard copy. I know people don't like to actually print out their syllabus, but this is where you make the mistake. You do not follow the syllabus. And down here at the very bottom is the activities that tell you what needs to be completed and what time. Whenever there's a problem, I defer to the syllabus because the syllabus is king in the classroom. So if there is a problem, student, I'm gonna go to the syllabus and I'm gonna say, what do the syllabus say? Okay. Now, if you have to meet with me via Zoom, that's great. Just make sure every time you meet with me, you turn your camera on so I'll know who I'm talking to. I do not want to give out misinformation to the wrong person, so turn on your camera if we meet. Okay, as you can see in here, you have a lot of stuff going on, so just make sure you take a look at your syllabus. Now, that's the syllabus. In here, you also have discussion questions. I'm going to come back to this section, but I want to walk around the actual terrain right now. So in here, you're going to have discussion questions. You should see your first discussion question. If you see a video in there, you are always to review the video because I give little hints in there. And hint, hint, I also give bonus points in there. So it'd be wise to listen to that video all the way through. Okay, with that being said, then you'll have assignments. Now, how I want you to upload assignments, I'm going to do a special video for that today so you can see how it's laid out. I just want to get you started. So in here, you have assignments, okay? Now, coming back to content, when you say, hey, professor, I want to get to my course information, I'm going to say, click right on this link here. And this link, like I showed you in the last video, I'm repeating myself. This link locks you right into your class that you'll do your work. So let's go take a look at that. So I'm going to click the link. Now, how you see it on this screen is different than what you would actually see because I'm the professor, so I'm going to have a lot of things going on. Now remember people, I am doing this for several courses. I have to repeat that again. I know some student gonna say, well, that's not my course. And I'm gonna say, did you listen to the entire video? Okay, so watch the entire video. You have several sections in here that you click on and you start doing work. Now remember I said earlier, your material gonna look different. It's gonna be in student view, so it's gonna look a little bit different. You are to go in here and start completing your work, okay? Now, I am going to do a separate video on how I need you to do a lab. That's coming today, yes, today. And I'm going to show you how to upload the results of that lab to me. So this video is basically getting you started today. If you have any questions, reach out to me immediately via email. And make sure if I need to talk to you, you set up some time when we can meet. Now, if you look at the syllabus, you will see every day you can meet with me. But if you need a different time, please feel free to let me know. Okay? So this was Professor Sistrunk just giving you a basic demonstration once again of how to get in your course and how to do your work. You will ask me questions. Hey, Professor, what should I do? I am going to defer you back to this video. Now, this video is going to be placed right in the middle of this, and it's going to say, review this video before you start your coursework. You will see that in here today. Okay, people, let's get things going. Remember, you have a discussion question, so you got to get in here and start doing your work because your initial post has to be on Thursday. I'm going to send this out to you today so you will have it and be ready to go. Professor Sistrunk is signing off.